Hi everyone! Today we're practicing morning routine sentences. Ready? Let's go!
I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I make my bed. I grab my towel. I grab my towel. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I apply my moisturizer. I apply my moisturizer. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I pour my coffee. I pour my coffee. I toast my bread. I toast my bread. I slice a banana. I slice a banana. I spread the butter. I spread the butter. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I check my phone. I check my phone. I fill my water bottle. I fill my water bottle. I zip my jacket. I zip my jacket. I lock the door. I lock the door. I take the stairs. I take the stairs. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I tap my card. I tap my
Thanks.
card. I find my seat. I find my seat. I look out the window. I look out the window. I plug in my earphones. I plug in my earphones. I step off the bus. I step off the bus.
Thank you all so much for watching. We couldn't have done it without you. Have a fantastic day.